Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to denoise JPEG in the Lightroom app. If you want to denoise the photo that you just edited in the Lightroom app, then this tutorial is for you. So let's dive right in. Find the Lightroom app, now open it. Choose one photo that you want to edit. Now simply edit the photo however you want to edit it. And to denoise the photo, tap onto the detail option right here. Then here you can find the option of noise. Go ahead and select it. Next, simply slide the slider to your right like this to denoise the photo. And you can see the noise reduction has been added to your JPEG. And that's it. This is how you can denoise the JPEG in the Lightroom app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.